And one of my favorite quick balloons that is a single balloon creation is the teddy bear. And I want to show you how cute it is. And then we're going to learn how to do it together. So a teddy bear is, again, one of those basic balloons that have been around forever. But it's so cute and so recognizable that it makes sense why people still like it. And I would say probably next to a dog. Out of everything I've made over my career, I've probably made more teddy bears than anything else. And to me, there's a good reason for it because he's so stinking cute. So here we go with the teddy bear. Whoop. And this is what he looks like. Bubble, bubble. Now, there's a couple different ways that people do their bears. You've probably seen the ones without the neck, and those are just as adorable. I like mine with the neck because I like the bobblehead look. Something I've been doing for a very long time, and it's kind of some just I like it, so I do it that way. But feel free when we learn how to do it to either do it without a neck or with a neck. So the teddy bear uses a couple intermediate techniques, and to the point where some balloon conferences, there's several out there that they require that you know how to make a balloon dog and a balloon teddy bear. At least that's what they used to do. Because if you know how to make a dog and a teddy bear, dog, teddy bear, you pretty much can build off of that. So let's just kind of go over through a couple things before we start. You got our famous lovable ear twists. We got our regular bubbles. And you'll notice at the end how I tore out the balloon. We're going to cover that real quickly, but there's going to be a whole nother video in there or techniques and how to do that. So let's begin. So grab one balloon and we're going to blow it up to about, 7 inches or 6 inches or 6 fingers of space. There we go. So, yeah. Now our first bubble is going to be our nose. And we want this a little bit longer because we want to pop it through the back of the head out to the front. So we're going to make this one about a 5.5, 6 finger bubble. Okay. Now we're going to do about a 3 finger bubble, followed by a 2 finger bubble, followed by about 2.5, followed by another 2, followed by another 3, which is going to give us our sequence that looks like this. Okay. So we have the side of our head, the ear, the top of our head, the other ear, and the other side of our head. And we're going to bring all those together for our 5 balloon cluster. There you go, 5 bubbles. Okay, excellent. Now what we're going to do is we're going to roll that knot. We're going to grab the knot and we're just going to pull gently and we're going to feel that knot slightly move in our fingers. And that's going to make this nice and soft. So now we're going to take that bubble, bend it, and just push it right on through. See? Excellent. Now we're going to do the ear twist. And if you don't know how to do an ear twist or you need a little refresher, remember you can always go to the playlist and on there's one that's all about techniques, balloon twisting techniques. And we break down that, we break down the basic bubbles, All the little building blocks, there's a video for. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an ear twist there, an ear twist there, and now we have our teddy bear head with a nice big nose. Boing, boing. So I like adding a little bubble so for the neck. So just a one finger bubble. Now you can do the legs different ways. Some people like the shorter ones on top. Some people like the longer ones on the bottom. But since we did the last one where we had, I believe it was the longer ones on top, let's do them all about the same size here. So we're going to make 4 bubbles, about the same. You can use your own proportions, but here I'm doing about four, 4 fingers. There you go. Going to twist all that together. Okay. Now, since I got everything proportioned right, I'm going to pull this down and I'm going to just split it right there. So it's going to be about 50-50. And we're going to go right between that leg joint right here, the bottom joint. Going to twist it in there and pull it back up and twist it around the bottom of the neck. Okay. Which leaves us a little bit of tail right there. Some people call it the scarf on the polar bear. What I like to do is I like to just take that and tuck it right between the 2 parts of the body. Now it's locked in there. And we have our cute little teddy bear. Put some eyes on it, put a little smiley face, and you're good to go. I'll now make one of these in this time that I usually take, and you can get an idea of that these are pretty quick actually. So let's go. Okay. And we got a little bit of extra, so we're just going to tear that off, wrap it around, and there we go. So that is our cute little teddy bear. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, you know what to do. So just remember, a smile is free. A thank you only takes a moment, but an encouraging word at the right moment can change someone's life forever. Until next time, keep on twisting and adios.